Hi, everybody.
Your name is Monsters now.
Monsters? Okay. It sounds like monsters.
Yeah, that's exactly what it was.
Silly girl.
Okay.
And who's with us?
Our special guest, Newt and Fuse.
From the Oddbods.
Oddbods.
And thank you.
Kids Station Toys Incorporated.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hey, let's unbox them. Oh, whoops. I did not know that was gonna be that easy. Okay. When two Oddbods meet together, they interact. Interact, whatever.
And you can
Shake, squeeze, hug, and drop with different sound effects.
Okay, so let's put them on.
Yeah.
So there's like a little Velcro pocket.
I like their buttons. They're like this.
And there's a little switch.
I bet you. Buttons. Switch.
See how they react to each other.
Hey, don't you hit me? Don't you hit me? Don't you hit me? Hello, fight.
Okay, so they're perfect for roughhousing. They're soft and they're so squishy.
They can be my pillow one day.
They come with
Get on my paper.
There's 3 AAA batteries that are included. We didn't have to actually put them in.
Yeah, that's awesome. Thank you for that.
And they feature each character's iconic sounds and phrases. So as you can see, Fuse is very angry.
And as you can see, this one's very emotional.
Newt?
Well, not emotional, but like has all emotions. He has all emotions, but because she's a girl, that's what happens in most places.
So
you can find them on Netflix and YouTube. I just forgot.
yeah. And also, tell us in the comments which one do you think would be best for your personality. There's 7 to choose from, and we will give each characteristics at the end of this video.
Characteristics.
Well, personality.
His little thingy's got in my mouth. Kill a little bit. Don't beat me up! I'm gonna beat you up! I'm gonna get you!
These are perfect for pajama parties.
Yeah!
Right?
Kind of the new cool, guys! If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe! Bye!
Bye!